Well, this month, the focus is about raising the bar and stepping to the next version of ourselves. And here in Canada, we're heading into a long weekend. So maybe you're not a fan of meal prep. I get it. But in today's video, I want to kind of share with you a strategy, what I call the lazy person's guide to meal prep. But before I get into that, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Francois. I'm the founder and chief health and wellness specialist here at the Other Pain Clinic. You know, spending hours chopping, cooking, and portioning out food for the week sounds great in theory, but some weeks it can feel like way too much. Hey, the good news, you don't have to cook a thing to meal prep. So instead of spending a whole afternoon in the kitchen, maybe it's to try this. First strategy is to stock up the kitchen with grab and go staples. Things that require little to no effort to throw together. So let me share an example with you of what that may look like. For example, for our proteins, we might get a rotisserie chicken, canned tuna, or hard-boiled eggs, or pre-cooked shrimp as an example. For some carbs, maybe we microwave quinoa, we do frozen brown rice, microwave that, or we do whole wheat wraps. So veggies, maybe we do some pre-washed salad greens, baby carrots, frozen stir-fry mixes. For some of those good fats, maybe it's hummus, guacamole cups, or pre-portioned nuts. And for snacks, what about Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, string cheese, or protein bars? Basically, what we want to do here is to pair any protein with a carb, with a veggie, and a fat. Then that gives you your instant meal. I know for some, you might have some food sensitivities, so you have to go according to what you're comfortable with in terms of those proteins, carbs, veggies, fats, and snacks. Some of you may be celiac, so once again, you have to kind of work around that. If you're doing a specific type of meal plan, for example, keto, carnivore, or paleo, please work around that as well. So come back to some of that example, it's really about looking at what can you do for that instant meal. So sometimes it's throw the rotisserie chicken on a salad, wrap the tuna and greens in a whole wheat tortilla, heat up pre-cooked rice, frozen stir-fry veggies, and the shrimp. So this method takes zero chopping, zero cooking, and about 5 minutes to throw together. So that said, if you're running short on time or just don't feel like it, following the strategy will help you stay on track and might be just one of the easiest ways to hit some of your new nutrition goals as you're raising the bar. Hey, make this an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.